Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shawsar Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal sir here. My dear students, today I have come up with a very important announcement regarding the Karnataka Board Exams 2021. There is a very good and important information. Okay, I would like to thank our Education Minister to announce this announcement regarding the Karnataka SSLC Board Supplementary Exam 2021. In this video, we are going to give you the details regarding the Karnataka SSLC Board Supplementary Exam 2021 date and timings. As you can see here, today, that is August 19, 2021, the announcement has been done by the new Education Minister, Mr. B.C. Nagesh sir, regarding the supplementary board exams. As you can see here, as per the given present worsening situation of the COVID-19 pandemic in the country, the Karnataka SSLC Supplementary Exam 2021 is going to be held. Now, new Education Minister has declared the date and timings of the exam. These are the dates, that is on 27th and 29th of September 2021 the exams are going to be held. My dear students, please do make a note of this. The one who are going to appear for SSLC supplementary exam of Karnataka State Board 2021, please do remember these dates. These dates are very important. On 27th and 29th of September the exams are going to be held, and the timings will be from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. SSLC supplementary exams will be held in multiple choice questions, that is MCQ format, like the main examinations. Okay, as you have seen the previous main SSLC exam, how it was held, the 2 days exam. Similarly, even these supplementary exams are going to be held on September 27th and 29th. Now, we are going to give you the still more very brief information regarding these dates, when and how you are going to appear for the exam. On 27th of September 2021, the core subjects exams will be held. The core subjects exam will be held from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. on September 27, 2021. And then the language exam will be held from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. on September 29th, 2021. Okay, so the first paper 1 is your core subjects, that includes your mathematics, science, social science, political science and so on. And then the language exam, which includes the languages like Kannada, English, Hindi, Urdu, Tamil, Telugu and so on. Okay, as per the requirement, and I mean to say that as per the languages which you have selected, the first language, second language and third language, all the three papers consist of one paper, that is of language, and even the core subjects. And this is not applicable for some few of our regular students, but still some private students who have appeared for the SSLC board exams. For those people, this is the information. In the afternoon session 2:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. the core subjects paper for junior technical school will be held, which includes one on mechanical and electrical engineering, engineering graphics and even among others. Okay, so this is mostly not applicable for our regular students. This information is only for the private students and who are interested in these subjects, who have opted these subjects. Okay, but right now you just need to remember these two dates, and on these two dates these exams will be held. Still, if you have not enrolled for your board exams, supplementary exams, kindly do register your names, go to your school, contact your school management and enroll for this exam. It's a best opportunity. Please do not miss this opportunity to clear your board exams. Why? Because next year how the decisions will be taken, still we are not aware of it. So it's a good chance and a good opportunity for all the students to take part in this exam and get cleared with your papers. Okay, still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shawsar Classes, do subscribe it and click the bell icon and select the option all. If any students are interested to take supplementary coaching, okay, the admissions are opened in our coaching institute for the supplementary tuitions, the supplementary coaching, and even for the next year annual batch. Okay, already the admissions have already started in our coaching institute for regular as well for the supplementary students. Okay, in the below description we have given the details. Do contact and clear your board exams. I wish you all the best of luck.